Hi everyone, Namaste. I'm Ramkaji Kharka. Today we will learn about the voiced and voiceless sound, or how to distinguish, how to identify between voiced sound and voiceless sounds in English. So let me write the topic here: voiced and voiceless sounds in English. So very clearly, what is the importance of identification of voiced and voiceless sound in English? I'll tell you later, or you will realize later. So, uh, how many consonants are there in English? There are 24 consonants in English, and there are 12 single vowels and 8 double vowels. In total, 20 vowel sounds in English. So, before uh, talking about a voiced and voiceless sound, are you ready there? So, here, with the tip of the finger, just you touch your throat here, just here at the vocal cords here. Just z, z sound, z, 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 z sound. Yes, how do you feel there? Yes, if you toss there while producing jaw sound, you feel vibration there. Vibration at the throat means in the vocal cords. And just similarly, if you toss and just produce the sound, no vibration there. So here, what is voiced sound? If there is vibration in the vocal cords, I mean, just at the throat here, they are the vibrating sounds, or they all are voiced sound. Whereas voiceless sounds are the sounds, they don't, there is no vibration in the vocal cords while pronouncing or producing the sound, while articulating the sounds. So uh, let me just write down here. The sound is here. J, j. This is voiced because there is vibration in the vocal cords while articulating or producing. Similarly, sound here, no vibration. Therefore, this is the example of voiceless sound. This is the example of voiced sound. Are you getting my points? So, are you getting me or not? Voiced are the sounds. There is vibration in the vocal cords while producing or pronunciation. While there is the pronunciation of such sounds, there is vibration in the vocal cords. They are voiced sound. While doing the pronunciation or pronouncing the sounds, if there is no vibration in the vocal cords, they are called voiceless sounds. Remember, all the vowel sounds are voiced. All the vowel sounds are voiced. Let me write one vowel sound here. Yes, a, yes, a. Let's try. A, 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 a. we pronounce fully. This one, ah. So all the vowels means vowels. O, a, ya, e, u, o, e, all are voiced because there is vibration while pronouncing them. Are you getting my points? But consonants, all the consonants are not vibrated sound or voice sound. Some of the consonants are voiced and some of them are voiceless. For example, let me write the symbols here. Consonants, consonants, consonants here. For example, this is ka, yes, ka, pa, ta, pa. Let's try. You identify voiced or voiceless. In the beginning, while learning about voiced and voiceless sound, you have to try with touching, yes, this throat. For example, I mean, ka, ka, pa, pa, pa. This one, ta, ta. This one, fa, fa, fa. No vibration. There is no vibration in the vocal CORDS chords or CHORDS chords. So these are voiced or non-voiced sounds. Voiceless SOUNDS sounds. Not only pa, ta, ka, you know, s is there, sh is there, ch, ch is also ch. Here, this is ch sound. All are, what have I written here? There is no vibration in the vocal cords while pronouncing. They are called voiceless sounds. For example, ka, pa, ta, pa, cha. Similarly, let me write about voiced with example. For example, ba, da, ga. You just let's try to identify whether they are or these sounds are voiced or voiceless. You know, but you feel just you find or you will feel the vibrate there or vibration. D, 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 that that is also vibrated sound means I mean voice sound. G, 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 yes, vibrated. So let me write. Make it clear. There is vibration. There is vibration. VIBRATION. Vibration in the vocal cords. CHORDS or CORDS. Both are correct. While pronouncing the sounds, they are called VOICD, voice. Just remember. Are you clear about voiced and voiceless sounds? Okay. All the vowel sounds are voice sounds, but in the case of consonant sounds or consonants, some of the consonants are voiced, some of the consonants are voiceless. Now, what is the importance of identification of voiced and voiceless? I mean, why? What is the reason of doing this task? You know, Just I make it clear in English language. It is very important to identify voiced and voiceless sounds. Now, see, BOOKS, DOGS, see here. In the case of S letter in English is pronounced as sometimes S, sometimes J, J sound. So, if you have the concept of, if you have the idea about voiced and voiceless sound, you will know in which situation S letter is pronounced as S and in which situation S letter is pronounced as J. Now, book. What is the final consonant here? Just before S letter, the word book. Some is just identify. I just told you. I just clarified about it. Sound is a voiceless sound. After the voiceless sound, S letter is pronounced as S. S letter is pronounced as Ch. So, books. So is pronounced here. But here, what is the final letter just before S letter? The final sound, D-O-G. D-O-G, dog. Dog. Yes, dog. And go sound is here. Go. Go is, yes. G, 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 g. There is a vibration. So after just yes, after the vibrating sound or voice sound, S letter is after the voiced or vibrating sound, S letter is pronounced as J. So here, how do you pronounce it? Dogs. Dogs. You know? So this is the rule. One rule. After the identification of voiced and voiceless sound, and what is the region? Just how to make a concept or how to differentiate, how to identify, and how to pronounce the word accurately, means properly in English. Not only in this case, just let me write here, BOOKED. Now, in the case of ED or D, sometimes pronounced as da. You know, this is da in Nepali. Sometimes D letter is pronounced as ta. Sometimes ED, that is pronounced as id. So this is because of voiced and voiceless sound here. B-O-O-K, K, book. What is the final sound here? Sound is here. Therefore, after the voiceless sound, the ed or d sound pronounced as stop. Here, we cannot pronounce booked. No, booked. Top sound is here. Are you getting my point? B-A-G-G-E-D. Or, yes? What is the point here? After the voiceless sound, ed or d is pronounced as ta. For example, booked, booked. Similarly here, let me write one word, bombed, bombard or bombed. See here, what is the final word here? Or not only, not focus on word, just focus on the sound here. Bum, bum, m, 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 bummed. Why? Because here is voiced, voiced sound. Are you getting my point? Now, next word. Next rule of pronunciation. After D, D letter is there. The word ends in D letter or da and preceded by ed, ed as suffix here. So pronounce as da plus id. It means did. Load, load, da, load. Ja sound is here. And what is the suffix here? Ed. Loaded. Loaded is not the correct one. It is incorrect. How do you pronounce? Loaded. Loaded. Da after ja sound, if there is ed, that is pronounced as did. If so, what is? Loaded. 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 Similarly, want, want, after ta sound, ed is pronounced as ta plus, this is plus id. It means did. wanted. How do you pronounce? Many of the people, they pronounce wanted. 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 Wanted is incorrect. The right pronunciation is after ta sound, ed is pronounced as it. Therefore, ta plus it, did. Wanted. So, in the beginning, I just made concept of, I made the clear concept of voice sound as well as voiceless sound. Why? We have to know, we have to understand voiced and voiceless sound because there are several rules in pronunciation in English. So these are the basic concepts, but very important concepts in English. Thank you very much. I hope you will get my, or you got my points here. Thank you very much.